Hi friends, you're watching GATE Helpline, and in this video we'll see all about GATE 2021 admit cards. Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates regarding GATE exam. So friends, let's start the video with GATE admit card highlights. So the first one is no issue of duplicate GATE admit cards at the test centers or online. So friends, that simply means you need to download the admit card online only, and no admit card will be provided at the exam centers, and you won't be able to download a duplicate one as well. The second one is keep the admit card safe. You will need it for appearing GATE exam as well as appearing in GATE 2021 counseling process and seat allotment process as well. The third one is GATE admit card 2021 will not be issued to the candidates whose registration is incomplete or unsuccessful. So only for those students whose registration is completed along with fee submission will be allowed to download the GATE admit cards. Friends, next question is from when we will be able to download our GATE admit cards. So friends, the answer to this question is GATE admit cards will be available from 8 Jan 2021. And friends, last time we had seen that GATE admit cards were available on GOP's website around 5 PM IST time. So this time, don't be curious. Don't think that they will be available from morning itself. Give some time to IIT as well so that they will upload all the GATE admit cards and they will allow you to download. So please wait till 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening and you will be able to log in into GOP's website and you will be able to download your GATE admit card as well. Friends, in this section we will see how to download GATE admit card. So friends, the first step is visit the official website of GOPS, that is https://appsgate.iitb.ac.in. Step 2 is log into candidate's dashboard using the registered enrollment ID, email address and password. Step 3 is click on download GATE admit card. Step 4 is your GATE admit card for 2021 will be displayed and downloaded on your system. So friends, candidates are advised to take a printout of their GATE admit card to be preserved for future references. And friends, please note the GATE admit card will be available for a particular window only. So friends, please download your GATE admit card and keep it safe because you won't be allowed to download or get a duplicate one at a later stage. So friends, now we'll see the details printed on GATE admit card. So friends, this is a sample admit card and on this sample screen we have first thing is exam date and time, that is listed here. The second thing is candidate's registration number followed by candidate's name, then GATE paper and subject name. The next one is GATE exam center details followed by candidate's photograph and signature. So friends, in case of any discrepancy, please contact to helpdesk at IIT Bombay for assistance. So if you have any issues in any of the 6 details listed on your admit card, that is if your exam date or time is wrong, or your registration is wrongly printed, or your name is incorrect, your GATE paper or subject is wrongly listed here, or your photo or signature mismatch is there. So if any of the case, please reach out to IIT Bombay help desk numbers. Friends, in this section we'll talk about documents to carry at exam center. So friends, both admit card and original ID proof are essential for entry inside the examination hall. And take a look at the below documents which can be carried as a valid ID proof along with admit card of GATE. So friends, these are the original ID proofs you can take along with you at the time of exam center. Friends, in this section we'll try to answer few of the questions asked by the GATE aspirants of GATE 2019 and GATE 2020. So we'll take the questions one by one as per the majority of emails and comments. So friends, the first one is when will I receive my GATE admit card? So friends, answer to this question is from January 8th onwards you will be able to download the admit cards from GOP's website. And point to note is any organization institute will not send the hard copy or soft copies of the admit card to candidates. So you need to log into GOP's website and download your admit card. The next question is the GATE admit card alone sufficient to enter the examination hall? So answer to this question is no. Candidates must bring a valid government issued original photo ID along with their admit card. With any of the documents missing, candidate will not be allowed to enter into the examination hall. So the next question is Will a candidate be allowed to enter examination center if he or she carries the photocopy of Aadhaar? So friends, answer to this question is no. No one will be allowed to carry the photocopy of Aadhaar or any of the government approved ID. One needs to carry the original ID to enter the GATE 2021 exam center only. So along with your admit card, you need to have a government issued original photo ID proof. So friends, a humble request is to please subscribe, because if you see, the watch time from subscribers is only 16% and people who are watching and not subscribing are 84%. So please support us by subscribing this video. Friends, the next question in the queue is, which all documents will be allowed as a photo identity proof at GATE 2021 exam center? So friends, answer to this question is driving license, passport, PAN, voter ID, Aadhaar card, college ID or any other photo identity proof issued by Indian or state government is allowed. The next question is, will a candidate be allowed to enter the exam center GATE 2021 if he or she carries e-Aadhaar on mobile phone? So friends, answer to this question is no. Candidates needs to carry original hard copy only. So the next question is, are students allowed to bring a soft copy of GATE admit card in mobile phone, tablet, laptop to gain entry in examination hall? So friends, answer to this question is no. Only the hard copy of GATE admit card printed in color is allowed. So friends, please note, you need to bring two things. First one is printed color copy of GATE admit card, and second, a valid government approved photo identity proof. Friends, we are left with two more questions. And the question is it necessary to keep GATE 2021 admit card safe till the admission process? So friends, answer to this question is yes. It is necessary to keep GATE admit card 2021 till the admission process is over. And even after that, as the examination scores are valid for 3 years from the date of result declaration, candidates will be needed to show their admit cards at the time of admission in an institute or for recruitment in an PSU. So any of the case, if you are going for higher studies or get recruited into a Navratna PSU company, you will need your GATE admit card along with your GATE score as well. So friends, please keep it handy and keep it safe. The next and the last one is, how can I retrieve my password to download the GATE 2021 admit card? Because we have seen this question quite often because students used to forget their passwords. So friends, answer to this question is, you can watch the video for how to get forgotten enrollment ID or password. So we have a separate video on this, and that will help you with a step-by-step process of how you can get your forgotten password or enrollment ID. Last but not the least, for GATE 2021, syllabus has revised. So the syllabus for all the exam papers has been revised by GATE 2021. So friends, for CS revised syllabus, click on the link above the blue arrow. So we have provided a separate video for GATE 2021 computer science syllabus as well. So do watch it before appearing for GATE 2021 so that your preparation will be focused and to the point. So friends, that's all about GATE 2021 admit cards. See you soon in the next video. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or question, please comment below.